my latest model that I've made, which is a WillysJeep, 1950, I would say. And you can see it has lights on it at the front and at the back. And it's basically, and inside you can see them. And it also has a, that's the light switch, and kind of horn as well. It's basically a metal frame. Steering, this works, it's a bit loose, it does work. And this is the radio, and the radio aerial there. And it's got a spare tyre on the back. And I actually prefer it with the cover up than down. And the one thing I found about this was it's an 8th scale, but unfortunately the screws, which is a good thing that you basically screw it together, but the screws are very, very small, which for my kind of hands make it quite difficult. But I managed to do it and get it completed. And you see it's got a spade and a kind of axe on it, which it would have had in when it was actually in use. And the hood opens up, and this is a replica of the kind of engine, and but it's not radio control, but the engine used to look very similar to this, and this actually locks down. And if I can show you the inside here, you can see there's a gear lever and the steering wheel and various dials on the windshield there. So it's kind of really quite accurate. But as I say, the only thing I found was that the kind of bolts to put it together were very, very tiny. Now, this is a bit different from the completed one that you could get in from the box, because that had a gun in it. You would have the hood, the cover down, and that would fold into the back here. And there was a gun sticking up, and but I didn't want really to put the gun in. I don't like guns in the house, so I don't know why I would have one in the model. And also, it also has, you can see a little holder here, it can either have another gun in the back on a trailer, or just a trailer on the back. But that was going to get it rather too large, and this of course is the gas can for it. So I think all in all it is quite a nice model. It took me, as I say, because the screws and bolts were very, very small. It took me quite a while to do it, but it's got fairly good instructions, and also there's a couple of people on YouTube who have the detailed instructions of how to build it. Anyway, a nice model, and I hope you enjoyed seeing it. Thanks now.